Welcome to a Co-Engineer YouTube channel. Today we discuss about probability density function. The probability density function is represented as small PDF. Is a basic mathematical tool to design the probabilistic behavior of a random variable. It is more preferable is than PDF probability distribution function. The probability density function of a random variable x is defined as a value of probability of the given value of x. It is differentiative of the distribution function. Capital Fx of x is denoted as small fx of x is given by small fx of x is equal to differentiation of capital Fx of x by dx. Here the probability density function is nothing but the given value of x. It is differentiating of the distribution function of capital Fx of x is denoted as small fx of x. Small fx of x is equal to differentiation of d capital Fx of x by dx, where x is a real number in the range minus infinity less than or equal to x less than or equal to infinity. We can call fx of x simply as density function of x. Fx of x is simply density function of x. Now discuss the discrete random variable in the density function, probability density function. There are two types: discrete random variable and continuous random variable. Now discuss the discrete random variable. The expression density function of a discrete random variable is fx of x. Small fx of x is equal to summation of I equal 1 to n p of xi del of x minus xi. From the definition we know that small fx of x is equal to differentiation capital Fx of x by dx. Here differentiation of capital Fx of x is nothing but a summation of I equal to 1 to n p of x mu of x minus x1. Here del is nothing but a probability distribution function, mu is nothing but probability density function mu x minus xi by dx. Summation of I equal 1 to n p of xi du x minus xi by dx. Here capital small fx of x is equal to summation of I equal to 1 to n p of xi del of here do u within del into x minus xi. This is the unit step function. This is the derivative of its unit step function. You have to derivative of this unit step function mu of t, derivative of the u of t, then its impulse is the unit impulse function of del of t. Whenever you have to derivating the unit step function, you get the unit impulse function del of t. Whenever you are integrating the unit step function u of t, you get unit impulse function del of t, that is d mu of t, du of t by dt is equal to del of t, where del of t is equal to 1, t equal to 0, otherwise. For example, consider again the experiment tossing 3 fair coins explained before. The density function fx of x is equal to p of x1 del of x minus x1 plus p of x2 del of x minus x2 plus p of x3 del into x minus x3 plus p of x4 del into x minus x4. Okay, small fx of x is equal to 1 by 8 del x plus 3 del x minus 1 plus 3 del x minus 2 plus del of x minus 3. This is a discrete random variable function. Discrete random variable function can be noted in the graph plotting of the graph. The density function of x is like this. The value 0, 1, 2, 3. The 3 fair coin tossings like in the effect p of x. Now the fx of x, small fx of x, nothing but the value is 1 by 8. The value is 3 by 8. From the value 0 is 1 by 8. The value 0, 3 by 8. The value 1 is 3 by 8. The value is 2. The value is 3 by 8. The value is 3. The 1 by 8 value according to the portion. The value is 0. From the value is 1. 3 by 8. The value is from the 2. 3 by the value is from the 3. 1 by 8. This is the density function of fx of x. Here x minus 1 is nothing but the place of x value is 1. That's why 1. 3 by 8. 3 by 8. 1 by 8. From the x value is 0. 1 by 8 value. The position of impulse. This representation of impulse function. Whenever you are derivating of unit step function, you get impulse function. Now we discuss the continuous random variable. For continuous random variable, since the distribution function is continuous in the given range, the density function small fx of x can be expressed directly as a derivative of the distribution function. For fx of x is equal to derivative of capital Fx of x by dx. where minus infinity to x less than or equal to x less than or equal to infinity. For example, capital Fx of x is equal to x, the range 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, scan small fx of x is equal to 1, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. So the distribution and density function, this is a distribution this is an density function, distribution function, this is an this density function is like this, distribution function is like this. Graph of fx of x, this is a distribution function, this is a density function. A distribution function, the point 1 diagonal is like this. This is distribution function, this is a density function because of small fx of x. Small fx of x is called as the density function of continuous and discrete random continuous random variable. These are called as the density functions of probability density function, discrete random variables, continuous random variables. Thank you friends, thank you very much.